In a world where roads end and challenges begin, one name has always stood tall: the Toyota Hilux. For decades, it's been the symbol of reliability, strength, and raw capability. But the 2026 Toyota Hilux? It's not just tough anymore. It's smarter, sharper, and more unstoppable than ever. This is not just a pickup truck. This is a legend, reborn. The 2026 Hilux makes a bold statement the moment you see it. Its exterior is redesigned with a commanding front grille, sleek LED matrix headlights, and aerodynamic sculpting that blends modern sophistication with rugged dominance. Toyota has refined every inch, from the flared fenders to the aggressive stance, giving the Hilux a futuristic yet muscular identity. It's no longer just built for the wild, it's built to turn heads, whether you're on a dirt trail or downtown boulevard. Under the hood lies Toyota's next-generation turbocharged diesel hybrid engine. With an estimated 2.8-liter power unit combined with electric assistance, the 2026 Hilux delivers over 250 horsepower and nearly 500 newton-meters of torque, making it both powerful and efficient. This new hybrid system doesn't just boost performance, it slashes fuel consumption and emissions, offering power with a conscience. The result? A pickup that's more capable off-road, more confident on highways, and more responsible toward the planet. The Hilux has always been an off-road icon, but this time, Toyota went further. The new chassis has been re-engineered with a reinforced frame, electronic locking differentials, and Toyota's advanced multi-terrain select system. Whether it's sand, mud, snow, or steep mountain paths, the 2026 Hilux adjusts intelligently to keep you moving. And with its increased ground clearance and improved suspension geometry, this beast doesn't conquer the terrain, it owns it. Step inside, and the rugged exterior gives way to pure sophistication. The 2026 Hilux greets you with premium leather seats, ambient cabin lighting, and a newly designed dashboard centered around a 12.3-inch infotainment display. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and a digital driver's cluster comes standard, transforming every ride into a connected experience. Toyota has finally made the Hilux not just a workhorse, but a comfortable daily companion. When it comes to safety, Toyota never compromises. The 2026 Hilux includes Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane trace assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. Cameras, radars, and sensors work in harmony to keep you safe in every condition. Because true power isn't just about how fast you can go, it's about how safe you can stay while doing it. Beyond luxury and power, the Hilux remains loyal to its practical roots. It offers multiple bed configurations, new hydraulic tailgate assist, a 220-volt power outlet for your tools, and enhanced payload capacity. Toyota also introduces smart deck integration, letting you control bed lighting, sensors, and tailgate functions via your smartphone. It's utility reimagined for the modern world. For over half a century, the Hilux has been tested in deserts, jungles, and battlefields, and it's never backed down. Now, Toyota has turned that heritage into high technology, a perfect balance of old-school strength and futuristic innovation. The 2026 Hilux is not just the next model in line, it's a message. The spirit of adventure is alive and evolving. The 2026 Toyota Hilux isn't just a pickup, it's a promise that wherever you go, whatever you face, you'll get there with power, pride, and confidence. It's more refined, more capable, and more intelligent than ever before. The world's toughest truck has just gone next gen. So, are you ready to meet the legend reborn? The all-new 2026 Toyota Hilux, engineered for those who dare to go beyond.